I have actually wasted a lot of money running unsuccessful campaigns. That's why I'm trying to like make it easy for all of you to be actually just cut the line and get there a little bit faster. All right, so I'm here again with you guys on another podcast, and today we're going to talk about something really, really important because as I run Facebook ads, I see people and I do seminars and I talk to crowds and entrepreneurs, and there's a lot of reasons why they don't succeed with Facebook ads. There's a lot of problems that they have running Facebook ads, but the main reasons for failing with Facebook ads are only a few of them. And if you understand these ones, then you're gonna eventually be successful. And this is a long game. This is not something that you run for a few minutes, for a few days, for $25, for $100, for $1,000, and then give up. This is something that you have to understand and master along the way because it does work. I was running an ad on Facebook the other day just for branding for Manuel Suarez and the things that I run every single day. And just because I love helping people, I love capturing attention, this is my thing, right? So I'm pumping out a lot of content, and somebody came in and he commented, "Don't listen to this mumbo jumbo. This is all like garbage." I actually paid a company to do Facebook ads for me, and I got 300,000 clicks and I got 0 conversions. And I was thinking, I wasn't impolite to him, but my only thought was, man, your product must be horrible and definitely not wanted or desired by anybody. To get 300,000 clicks to a shop and not get a single purchase, it's like epic. It's Guinness Book of World Records. It's incredible. It's an accomplishment. I mean, even if you try to do that, you probably cannot accomplish that. You literally cannot drive 10,000 people to a shop, even the worst shop, and not convert a single one. That's just not possible. I mean, we live in a world right now in which, on average, when you send 1,000 people to a website, you can convert 1, 2, or 3 people for sure, pretty much guaranteed. So this guy that comes in, AKA my hater, comes in and says something about 300,000 clicks and not a single, don't waste your money doing Facebook ads, didn't know what he was doing. Or his company that he hired and paid a lot of money for had no clue what they were doing. So it's not on him. It's the company that he trusted in didn't know what he was doing, and he was actually probably trying to do something that, a couple of reasons, right? Either the product was not of any value to anybody, the audience was dead wrong, the shopping cart was completely broken and a total mess. The thing was like disgusting all over the place, right? So whatever it is, when people tell me like Facebook ads don't really work for my brand, I tell them like, wait a second, does food not feed your body? Like, how does that make any sense? When you look around, you go to a restaurant, you go to a coffee place, you go to a doctor's office, you go to a park, you go to a plane, and you go anywhere, and people are using the platform. How would you explain? How does it make any sense whatsoever that the Facebook platform doesn't really work for advertising? What didn't work was you. And there's a series of factors that we're going to cover on this podcast today that are the main reasons why your Facebook game might not be having success. And I've gone through it. I have actually wasted a lot of money running unsuccessful campaigns. That's why I'm trying to like make it easy for all of you to be actually just cut the line and get there a little bit faster, because if you look at my accounts, if you look at my ad spend, you're going to be like in shock. I've spent over $10 million running Facebook ads in the last several years. It's a lot of money. I'm currently spending $500,000 every single month on Facebook ads. So I have data. I can tell you right now that if Facebook ads didn't work, I would not be sitting here talking to you guys about Facebook ads failure. I would just be a failure myself on a corner crying, all upset because I can't have results. How can you sustain $500,000 in ad spend if you're not being successful? So trust me. I mean, if you guys have been following me for a while, you know what I talk about. I am not a talker only, even though I do talk a lot. I'm a walker. I walk whatever I talk, and I show the world along the way how to take advantage of these opportunities. But you guys have seen me, some of you guys have seen me what I've done with my dad's company, with Dr. Berg's company, with my own brands. We go all out building systems, establishing retargeting funnels, establishing strategies that work, because social media, Facebook advertising, all these platforms, they're not something that is going to pass away. It's not a fad, it's here to stay. This is the new communication platforms that exist on this planet, and they're gonna keep on evolving and getting better along the way. So you have to figure out how to get in there.